Friends, good morning. So today I would be leaving for my 400 kilometers Brevi to complete my 5th SR series. So to follow the protocol, the first thing that I need to do is to get COVID tested. So I would be going for both the tests, rapid antigen test and RT-PCR. So let's see how the Brevi goes. Bye. So both the tests are done. Rapid antigen test is negative. RT-PCR report would come within 48 hours. So I would be leaving today. Probably I would be on the way when the report of the RT-PCR comes. So, bye. So finally leaving for the Brevi. The Brevi is from Bareilly to Kainchi and back via Rampur. It is a 400 kilometers Brevi. So just leaving. I've kept my bike in the car only. I've not hung it on the stand. Reason being it's a rainy season and the distance is too long. I have to travel 550 kilometers to reach Bareilly first. So this is my son Rudransh. I'm going to miss him a lot. Say hello. So bye friends. See you on the way. Bye bye. So hello friends. So I started from Barnala in the afternoon and this is the first halt that I've taken. Now Bareilly is just around 150 or 160 kilometers. The place where I am is Garhmukteshwar and this is Ganga. The place is Garhmukteshwar and this river flowing here is Ganga. Just have a look. This is the first halt that I've taken on the way to Bareilly. Let's try and go into water as well. It's so pleasant here. Okay, see you at Bareilly then. Bye. Hello. It's 12:30 a.m. on the night of 17th July and we are up. I'm ready for the 400 kilometers Brevi that is going to start at around 1:30 a.m. So I'm just leaving from here, from the hotel. Would be there at Cycle Junction from where the ride is going to start. So let's see how it goes. So heading towards the Cycle Junction, that is the starting point for the 400 kilometers Brevi from Bareilly to Kainchi on the roads of Bareilly, on the beautiful roads of Bareilly. Such a beautiful city it is. Heading towards the starting point then. Okay, see you at the starting point. So all set for the 400 kilometers Brevi. I'm at starting point. It's around 1:20. In next 10 minutes we are going to start the ride. It's a tough ride. Let's see how it goes. It is Cycle Junction Bareilly from where the ride is going to start. And this is my cycle on which I'm going to do my 400. Okay then, see you on the way. Bye. Hello friends. On the way to Kainchi Dham, we have completed 100 kilometers till now with a average speed of around 28.4, 28.5. The elevation started at around 84 kilometers. We are going strong. We approximately have 6-7 hours to do next 50 kilometers. That is the only challenge that we are going to face in this ride. We are going to start rocket. Let's see.
Yeah,
Bye.
hip hip hooray.
Hip hip hooray. Beauty. What a beauty. Wow. Such a tough ride. And this beauty. Loving the ride. 150 kilometers done. 115 kilometers done. Hello. Done 118 kilometers so far. The elevation is damn tough. I had to take rest. I've stopped for a few minutes. Let's see. Hello friends. The ride is really damn tough. So far I've done 122 kilometers. Still 28 kilometers to reach 150 checkpoint. Seems tough. Let's see how it goes. Wow. Ride is tough, but the beauty is awesome. Loving it. If I'm able to complete this ride once, I'm going to come here with family as well. This is a beautiful place, heaven on earth, literally. Wow. Damn tough ride, but still trying to do it. Let's see how it goes. Hello friends, good morning. So last night I finally completed the toughest ever 400 kilometers Breve from Bareilly to Kanchi Dham and back via Rampur. It was the toughest ever ride. Elevation was killing, but somehow managed to complete it well in time and also met all the timings of all the checkpoints. It was a very different, very unique, but a great experience. With this ride, I also completed my 5th SR series and I'm feeling very happy about it. It was very nice to complete my 5th SR series with such a challenging ride. It was awesome. Everyone who is a cycling enthusiast must try this elevation. This is a different kind of experience. Just loved it. Further, it was a coincidence that this ride started on 17th of July. That was the birthday of late Dr. Amrit Sethi ji, the father of cycling in Punjab. So I dedicate my ride and 5th SR series to Dr. Amrit Sethi. I would like to thank my HOD Professor Dr. Jasbir Singh Hundal sir, who allowed me to follow my passion at such crucial time when a FDP is taking place at my department. I would also like to thank Chairman and in charge Admission Committee Maharaja Ranjit Singh Punjab Technical University, Batinda, that is Professor Dr. Manjeet Bansal and Rajinder Samag sir. I would also like to thank Pritpal Olk sir. Special thanks to him, who shared my admission committee workload, which allowed me to come here to Bareilly to do my dream ride. Also special thanks to Ravinder sir from Bareilly Landowners, who organized such a beautiful event and for such awesome arrangements and warmth and hospitality. Thank you so much, Ravinder sir. Look forward to do many more rides with you in near future. Thank you.